Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the lovely Cain Manor in the glorious Hampshire countryside. And what a lovely day to have a gorgeous wedding ceremony. And this is a really special day for Glenn and Danielle. Marriage is a desire by two people to share themselves and their experiences with each other, and a willingness to accept each other for who they truly are. It requires a commitment to developing cooperation, friendship, mutual respect, and of course every marriage needs masses of good humour. I, Glenn McKelvey-Smith.
I, Glenn McKelvey-Smith.
Take you, Danielle Emma Burnett.
Take you, Danielle Emma Burnett.
To be my wedded wife.
To be my wedded wife.
And Glenn, do you promise to comfort, love and cherish and stand by Danielle's side no matter what the future may bring?
I do.
Glenn, I give you this ring.
Glenn, I give you this ring
as a symbol of my love and friendship.
as a symbol of my love and friendship.
I promise to confide in you.
I promise to confide in you
and comfort you.
and comfort you,
To trust and support you.
to trust and support you,
And to be there when you need me the most.
and to be there when you need me the most.
And now it gives me the greatest of pleasure to pronounce you husband and wife, and you may kiss each other.
Ever since we met 8 years ago, we've been building our lives together, and I love so many things about you. Your love for food and reading restaurant menus weeks, if not months in advance, never fails to make me smile. I love how much you care for those around you and how thoughtful you are. You're my best friend, and there's no one else I would rather have by my side. We both make each other better versions of ourselves, and I cannot wait to build our future together, and now as husband and wife. So, with that in mind, join me in raising a glass to the new Mrs. Smith.